Are you looking for new construction in Aledo ISD with tons of amenities and your max budget is just under $500,000? Well, today I'm going to show you the Morley by David Weekley that with upgrades and everything is going to put you at just under $450,000. And if this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications to make sure you get up-to-date info on everything going on in Aledo. Now, my name's Jared, and I get calls and texts all the time from people just like yourself that are wondering what it's like to live in the Aledo area. They want to know if they're going to be able to find what they want, if they're going to have a good fit for their family, and more importantly, if their budget is going to fit for the Aledo area. So whether you're thinking about moving next week or next year, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or even book a Zoom call directly at the link below. And before I start with the tour, I want to remind you to stick around to the end where I'm going to cover what the builders are offering buyers to purchase their home right now. There's some really great incentives. They change all the time, but I will be covering what the incentives are right now. Like I mentioned, this is the Morley floor plan that we're going to take a look at. You can see there is an exterior garage door. The inside of that is made out into a sales office. This is the model home, and there is only one Morley floor plan left. So let's come take a look. These garden style homes have been really popular because of their price point. You can get this last Morley all in with upgrades. It's going to be in the $435 to $445 range, no more than $450 all in. So again, this is the two-car garage. So if you buy this floor plan, that would be a garage. There's a half bath down with the living, dining, and kitchen down. 3 bedrooms up with 2 full baths up. So we're gonna take a look. We've got some nice hard flooring, big island. You do have a gas cooktop. I like the paneling on the walls. So one of the great things about Walsh is front yard maintenance is included. We're gonna take a look at this back porch. So you will have a covered back porch. This is set up where you can see the other model home. So your backyard would not look like this, but you do have a back porch. And you have your dining area. So these garden style homes are set up with 4 homes kind of in a square. They share a main drive, but you get a really, really great price point for living in Walsh and all the amenities. So again, Walsh has front lawn maintenance. It has high-speed internet included. It has multiple pools, 5 parks, a lake, all sorts of great stuff, a makerspace, a fitness center. All that stuff's in what they call the Village. There's even a gas station and an ATM, a convenience store that has, locally sourced food and stuff. So guys, this is the Morley, really, really affordable price point. We're gonna come look at the master suite over here. Again, there's only one left. All in, you're gonna be at no more than $450. If you're looking for a home that's about 2,000 square feet with a beautiful shower, and you want to be in Walsh Ranch, feeding into Walsh Elementary, this is great. Look at this huge shower. The whole width of this bathroom. Take a look at this shower and closet. Now there is only 4 or 5 garden homes left. They are almost sold out. So if you are looking for something in that mid-4 range in Walsh, this could be a great option for you. There are incentives that are running. Stick around. I'll pull those up and share those with you. They could change. They do change frequently, but I'll give you what they are currently. Okay, thanks for checking out the Morley floor plan. And like I mentioned at the beginning, I do want to cover some of the incentives that David Weekley is offering right now. So right now, I'm at the end of March. David Weekley is offering up to $20,000 in incentives for buyers who contract on their homes right now. Now that could change at any time, and these incentives often require you to use their lender and their title company. But that's okay. That is pretty normal. That's not anything out of the ordinary. Now, David Weekley also has some homes that they're offering at some like rock bottom pricing. Now, not this floor plan specifically, but some of these floor plans, some of these homes that are available and complete are going for like $30,000 less than their MSRP. So if you're looking to make a move, now could be a good time. You could get a home below the standard pricing and you could get some really significant incentives. So, whether you're thinking about moving next week or next year, my name's Jared. I live in the Aledo area. I'd love to make that transition as smooth as possible.